Question. The fourth term of AGP is square of its second term and the first term is -3. Determine its seventh term. किसी GP के चौथा पद इसके दूसरा पद के वर्ग के बराबर है और इसका पहला पद -3 है, तो सातवां पद हमें ज्ञात करना है। It is given that first term of GP is a is equal to -3. Fourth term is square of second term. T4 is equal to square of second term, square of second term, square of T2. Fourth term is a r power 4 minus 1 3. T2 is a r 2 minus 1 1 square. Formula Tn is equal to a r n minus 1. A r cube is equal to a square r square. A r cube upon a square r square is equal to 1. Dividing both sides by a square r square. R power 3 minus 2 1 r upon 2 minus 1 power a, r upon is equal to 1. This is r is equal to a, r is equal to a, and since a is equal to -3 given, therefore r is equal to -3. Determine its seventh term. We have to find seventh term. Seventh term T7 is equal to a r power 7 minus 1 6 is equal to a of value -3. Value of r is also -3 is equal to -3 into minus power even number is plus 3 power 6 minus 3 power 6 plus 1 7 is equal to minus 2187. Answer T7 is equal to minus 2187. Question. Which term of the following sequences a 2 2 by root 2 4 is 128? First, we will verify this is in GP. T2 upon T1 is equal to 2 root 2 upon 2 is equal to root 2. T3 upon T2 4 upon 2 root 2 is equal to multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2 4 upon 2 root 2 into root 2 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. These are equal since T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2 is equal to root 2. Therefore, it is in GP. Common ratio is R is equal to T2 upon T1 root 2. Let 128 is nth term of this sequence or GP. nth term is Tn 128. Tn means a r power n minus 1 is equal to 128. A first term is 2, r is root 2, n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 can be written as root 2 square into root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to, this can be written as 2 power 7 root 2 power 2 plus n minus 1. 2 can be written as root 2 square whole raised to the power 7 root 2 power n plus 1 is equal to root 2 power 2 7s are 14 n plus 1 is equal to 14, equating exponents. n is equal to 13. Answer 128 is 13th term of this sequence. B. Root 3 root 3 is 729. Here T2 upon T1 3 upon root 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 is equal to root 3. T3 upon T2 3 root 3 upon 3 equal to root 3. These two are equal. Since T2 upon T1 is equal to 3 upon T2 is equal to root 3, therefore it is GP. First term is A is equal to root 3, common ratio R is equal to root 3. Let nth term of this GP is 729. Then Tn is equal to 729. Tn means A r power n minus 1 is equal to 729. A is root 3, r is also root 3, power n minus 1 is equal to, this is can be written as 3 power 6, root 3 power 1 plus n minus 1 equal to 3 can be written as root 3 ka square whole raised to the power 6 or root 3 power n is equal to root 3 power 2 6 are 12. Comparing exponents, n is equal to 12. Answer 12th term is 729. C 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and last term is 1 upon 19,683. Here T2 upon T1 is equal to 1 by 9 upon 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 9 into 3 by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. T3 upon T2 1 by 27 upon 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 27 into 9 by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. These two are equal. Since T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2, therefore it is GP. Let nth term of this GP is this much. Therefore Tn is equal to 1 upon 19,683. Tn is A r power n minus 1. A is 1 by 3, r is 1 by 3, r is T2 upon T1 1 by 3. One by 3 power n minus 1 plus 1 n is equal to, this can be written as 1 by 3 power 9. Therefore, n is equal to 9. Answer 9th term is 1 upon 19,683. Question: for what values of x the numbers minus 2/7 x minus 7/2 are in GP? x का हमें मूल्य ज्ञात करना है ताकि ये तीनों GP में हो जाए। Since minus 2/7 x minus 7/2 are in GP, therefore T2 upon T1 must be equal to T3 upon T2 x upon minus 2/7 is equal to T3 minus 7/2 upon T2 x by cross multiplication x square is equal to minus 2/7 into minus 7/2 x square is equal to minus into minus plus 2 cancel 7 cancel 1 or x equal to plus minus root 1 x equal to plus minus 1. Answer: x equal to plus minus 1.